Have you been looking to customize 100% polyester or sublimated polyester garments with full color designs without the worry of dye migration? Well, we have the solution for you. Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. Welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. Here in this episode, I'm going to take you through the entire application process for Siser's digital media Sublithin Soft. But before we get started, if you could all do me a huge favor and please press that subscribe and like button, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's begin. First things first, let's head over to our printers and print out our transfers on the Sublithin Soft. Prints turned out great. Now, before we get into the next step for Sublithin Soft, I want to give you a little bit of a background story for the product itself. Now, remember, this is a digital media of ours, so it only works for eco-solvent, solvent, or latex inks, not inkjet or sublimation inks. I just want to clear that up and to set this aside from the rest of our digital media. And while we're going to show this, that is going to be the benefit of using the Sublithin Soft, is to protect from any potential dye migration when you are customizing 100% polyester or sublimated polyesters. Now, for those that are not sure what dye migration is, just loosely explained, is dye migrations when the color of the garment starts peering through your transfer. So I have a red 100% polyester garment before me. If you applied something white to it and maybe you start seeing that white transfer start turning pink, that is dye migration. Or if you start seeing it get blotchy, that is dye migration. What causes that is high heat. So obviously we're using heat transfer vinyl. High heat, anything over about 280 degrees Fahrenheit will start the dye migration. With the Sublithin Soft digital media, the benefit of this product is not only that it has a charcoal backing, which will help protect any migration, but it's also applied as low as 265 degrees Fahrenheit. So the adhesive on the backing of the Sublithin Soft will start activating that low. So in this video, I am going to decorate this 100% red polyester garment, the Sport Tech garment that we got from our friends at Sanmar. Thank you, Sanmar. So what we're going to do first is weed away our excess material on our Sublithin Soft. So I'm going to take my Siser weeder and pierce the corner and remove the excess material. Okay, so after you're done weeding all the excess material and cavities, we're gonna move on to the masking portion. So with Sublithin Soft, in all of our digital medias, we use TTD high-tack mask to remove the transfer off of its backing. So I'm gonna lay my TTD high-tack mask on a smooth, flat surface with the adhesive side facing up. And now I'm just gonna roll my transfers onto it. All right, then you're gonna take a Siser squeegee, create a bond between the Sublithin Soft and the TTD high-tack mask. You wanna create some pressure. You wanna start in the center and kind of work your way out so you can kind of take the air pockets out. All right. Now you want to make sure that you remove the backing off of your Sublithin Soft. Even if you're not going to use it right away, you want to make sure you take that backing off. Now, If you aren't going to use these right away, save the paper backing that comes on the TTD high-tack mask and just place it back down onto the transfer. Now we can save these for later, but now we're going to move on to the application portion. Very, very important that with Sublithin Soft, you have your heat press set to 265 degrees. We're going to press for 15 seconds, and you want to be at a medium pressure. So again, if you're using Sublithin Soft on 100% cotton, you have a little bit more wiggle room. But the problem is usually with 100% polyester or sublimated polyesters where you're gonna see the real dye migration. So I wanna make sure that I have my pressure set correctly. So I'm gonna take my garment, thread it onto the heat press, and we're doing a front and back for this jersey. I'm gonna test to make sure I'm at a medium pressure. Looks like my heat press is good. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is apply my foreground here. Okay, we're gonna use a cover sheet, and we're gonna press this for 15 seconds. And with Sublithin Soft, it is also a hot peel, so you don't have to wait. Front looks fantastic. Now we're gonna press the back. And then we're gonna press this for another 15 seconds. Feel hot? And there you have it. Front and back. If you're looking to customize that sports jersey or work apparel or whatever it might be, Siser Sublithin Soft is a great option for you. Now remember, Sublithin Soft is mainly used for 100% polyester or sublimated polyesters. Now, you just saw the fast application, the great results. I just want to give you one more tip before we sign off here, and that is to be cautious when it comes to washing your garment. Now, this garment looks good now, but make sure when you wash your garment, you hang dry your 100% polyester with the Sublithin transfer on it. This is going to give you a little bit more longevity and also avoid any potential dye migration. Another thing to look out for on top of that is if you're doing multiple garments like this, if you are pressing and stacking, avoid stacking another 100% polyester on top of your Sublithin Soft. That can cause the dye migration from the other garment to lay on the surface of your transfer. So these are things to watch out for when you are doing large jobs. But again, fast application, quick project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Joe with Siser North America. This has been another episode of the Decoration Zone. Please, if you could, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment. If you're looking to get your hands on the Siser Sublithin Soft today, you can contact us at info@siserna.com. If you want to contact your authorized Siser distributor, that is another route to go. If you want to see our entire lineup of digital media, please visit us at siserna.com. Thank you all so much, and I will talk to you all very soon.